ladies and gentlemen, it needs no further introduction. The county 1474. Where are we going to be? Who's your start me? Somewhere around £70,000 to start me. 70,000, 50 bid. At £50,000 bid a 50. 50 on bid at £50,000 bid a 50 on bid. At £50,000 bid a 50. At 50,000. At 55. 55, 60,000. At 65, 65, 70,000. At £70,000 on bid at 70. £70,000 I'll take you to now, man. At £70,000 on bid at 70. At £70,000 on bid at 70,000. At £70,000. Anybody else coming in now? At 72,000. At 74. 74, 76, 78, 78, 80,000. 82, 82, 82, 84, 84, 86, 88, 88, 90,000. At £90,000 on bid at 90,000. At £90,000 bid at 90 on bid. At £90,000 bid at 90 on bid at 90,000. At 90,000. At £90,000 on bid at 90. At 90,000. Anybody else coming in now? At £90,000. Last chance with it now. At £90,000 and I saw down here. At £90,000. Anybody else coming in now? At £90,000. Your last chance with it now. At £90,000. Anybody else? Yes or no? At £90,000 and I saw that. 92 online. At 92,000. At £92,000. You're out, Billy, at 92,000. Make it 4 now. At £92,000 on bid at 92. At 92. At £92,000. Make it 4 where? At £92,000 on bid. At 92. At 92. £92,000 bid at 92. One more now. Look at me. At £92,000 on bid at 92. At £92,000 and I'm selling online at £92,000. Shut up, I can't see you now. At 93,000. At £93,000 on bid at 93. At £93,000 bid at 93,000. At 93, you're 94 online. At 94. At £94,000 bid at 94. At £94,000. Anybody else coming in now? At £94,000 on bid. At £94,000 on bid at 94. At £94,000. Anybody else now? At £94,000 and I sell online at £94,000. You're all out and done this diamond away then at £94,000. Goes online, 94,000.
Excuse me, please.